Hey DIYers, I don't know if you know this, but recently I had a little back injury and I have not been able to stand or sit for very long at a time. But no worries, I found my solution. I have decided to replace all of my work tables with standing desks so that I can sit and stand and keep working on my projects without interruption. I did a little research and I found an amazing standing desk by Fezibo. Now it's in an L shape, so I have extra room for my computer and my craft supplies, and it's also going to be great for sewing. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Now if you have a question about my use of the Fezibo desk, leave a comment and I will get back to you about that too. Are you ready? Let's put this desk together. Everything you need for this Fezibo triple motor L-shaped desk comes in one box. It's pretty heavy, so you might need some help with it. I like to lay out every piece first before I begin. Since this is a larger L-shaped desk, it has 3 motorized legs instead of 2 that work in tandem to raise and lower the table easily. The top comes in 3 pieces so that you can have the extension on either side. I was a little intimidated at first, but once I got started, the desk went together pretty easily. The Fezibo standing desk is perfect for most DIYers, and I'm excited to use this L-shaped desk for sewing and filming with my computer. The frame is made of sturdy steel and will withstand a weight of 155 pounds, and it rises and lowers smoothly. It has a 19-inch travel distance, so it's perfect for users from 5'4" to 6'1", and I fall right in the middle of that. With the click of a button, you can raise or lower the desk and set it at your perfect height. It has 3 preset buttons, so just press the S button and a number to always have that perfect height ready in an instant. I'm going to leave a link to Fezibo so that you can check out their amazing selection of desks and desk accessories. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I'll see you next week. Bye.